Hello, my name is Alyssa, and today I'll be showing you the property info screen. So if you go to setup, and once in setup, if under basic, you go to property info. This screen shows you all the information anyone who goes to your website or looks your property up will see. It has your property type, your address with the city, the state, the zip code, the country, and the phone number. Your fax number if you put that, toll-free, your email address, your web address, your login ID, your password, and your contact person, as well as a logo image, which you can upload. In order to modify this, you're going to select Modify Property. And under Property Details, you can select the property type. I have this one selected as Cabins. And the property name. This would be what the name of your property would be. The property short name. It shows you here under Login Details, the login name. The password, which I'll show you how to update later. The credit card password, which I'll also show you how to update later. And then you have contact details with the contact name. Here we have Alyssa Meadows, the address, which you can update or change, the country, the fax, the email address, which I'll show you how to update later, the mobile number, which I'll show you how to update later, and then you have the state, the phone number, the website, and all the rest of the address. Here you could put in what the property currency is. If you're not using US dollars, you can choose out of these what currency you're using. And then here we have a property logo that you can upload. Now, in order to update your property password and your credit card password, you need to be logged in the main property login. Any other users will not be able to update this. In order to update the password logins, you would click Update in this box. This page would show up. And this page is basically a forgot password page where you put in your property short name, your login name, and you hit send. And an email will be sent to the email that you have assigned to the property here that will walk you through the steps of resetting the password. If you want to change your email address, you hit the update here. And this page will pop up. And it's going to tell you that you're going to be needing a verification code that's going to be sent to the email address you have put into your property. And so what you would need to do is you would need to go to that email, get that code, and within that email go through the steps of updating the email for your property. Same thing with the phone number here. If you select update, this one would also need to send you a verification code, and then through that email you would go through the process of updating your phone number. If you're needing any help with anything on your property info page, please feel free to contact us through live chat or to call us at 713-981-5300. Thank you.